Hi guys, my name is Terry. I'm project manager with the Rag Waterproofing. I'm here today to share some exciting news about new program the City of Mississauga launched. It's called Basement Flood Subsidy Program that allows eligible homeowners to apply for the city rebate for the maximum of $7,500. That includes city rebate for the sump pump installation for the maximum of $6,000, backwater well installation for the maximum of $1,500, downspout disconnection for the maximum of $125 each, and disconnection of the weeping tile from the city system for the maximum of $1,000. If you need any help with basement waterproofing, give the Rag Waterproofing a call today.